That girl is their,
Their what?
that girl is their friend.
Oh, so him is your friend's friend, right?
My,
Your what?
saglit lang, mahirap gumana yung utak ko ngayon. Naninigas.
Hey, I'm waiting for your answer.
What? What answer?
Your friend is Kim's friend, right? No.
No. It's their sister-in-law. My friend is their sister-in-law. You get lipak to lipak.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, you got it? Alright.
Alright. Happy birthday.
I look at it. I got an update.
Ate, ano sabi mo na?
I look
Ano sinabi mo?
I look to it.
I look into it.
I look into it. I'll give you an update. Pag